So let's get right to it. Here we go. Pay attention. Let's start out by calling up the scriptwriter. We can have multiple GPTs, multiple agents in one conversation working together using this method. Start out with the ad, and here's all your GPTs. So I can start conversing with the scriptwriter. Then I can ask LinkedIn Linda to turn that into a post for LinkedIn. I've got all these different ones that I can call up. Right now, we're just calling up the scriptwriter. And here's this. There he is. And I'm going to go, Aloha. Are you there? I just want to make sure that we're all present. There's the scriptwriter. What can I assist you with today? Now I'm going to say, can you make me a word cloud from the contents of your knowledge base? And then it's going to get to work. Now, I just want to let you know, ChatGPT 4 has been running really, it's been up and down today, June 4th, 2024. We moving good. Come on. It's working on displaying it. It looks like it's done. There we have it. All right. Wasn't that cool? Wasn't that easy? Look at this. And now we can just go right ahead, right up here. We can download it or we can expand the chart. Now, you'll notice that it's telling me that interactive charts of this type are not yet supported. More on that later. But right now, I'm just going to expand it. And then there's my word cloud. And I'm like, wow, it looks like I am covering. I can run different word clouds so you just get a different view on it. And this one actually is the one that's got the most words in it. And I like it. I like what I'm seeing. And if I wanted to, I could go right in here and I could start asking it questions about that chart, just like that. And then I can do something else. I can just go right ahead and call up LinkedIn Linda. And there's LinkedIn Linda right there. And I'm going to say, write me a 250 character post about this word cloud. Just like that. And now that's LinkedIn Linda. Remember, this chart was made by the scriptwriter. And in the same conversation, I'm calling up LinkedIn Linda.